Welcome back to the MS Game Changer Lottery prize draw, where we are about to draw the lucky early bird prize winner. They'll get to choose between a Porsche 911 or $250,000 in cash. Joining me are the MS Society's auditors, Nexia Edwards Marshall, chartered accountants, independent scrutineers, and the MS Society's CEO, Christine Hahn.
On behalf of the thousands of people living with multiple sclerosis in South Australia and the Northern Territory, thank you for purchasing a ticket. Your support allows us to provide vital healthcare services to people living with MS and to fund research into a cause and a cure. Now, let's draw the early bird prize.
Who is the lucky winner, Christine?
The winning ticket number is 3135.
Congratulations to Jeremy Mugg. The MS Society will be calling you right now. And remember to check the website tomorrow to see if you have won one of the other 3,334 prizes.